Hey guys, welcome back. Ain't no way I forgot that I was going to show you guys how easy it is to make seamoss gel. So stick around, let me give you the tea, alright? So yeah, welcome back. It's your girl Tamara here at I Am Cuthbert Daily, where we do epic things daily. So today we are going to be doing some sea moss gel. This is your sea moss when it's dried. You see the purple part there? It good. Nobody take it off and dash away. Yeah, that's all right. Now we're gonna wash it up and clean it up. So here I am just pouring on some water on it. Pouring on this water, we are going to wash it off and yeah, get rid of all of the things that we need to get rid of. You see how the water look right now? That is not dirt. Not dirt, it's just salt. If your sea moss is good, it is supposed to be salty. And you know, when the salt hit the water, especially if there's chlorine and it's not filtered, then it causes that reaction. You're gonna see it clear up quite well. This is one of the cleanest, as I said, one of the cleanest sea moss I have ever used. I bought this in where buy this again? I bought this in Anata Bay, I think. But no worry about how it look little bit now. Once it soaks, it is going to go back to its natural state. Because it's a water vegetable, so it basically going to be translucent and stuff. So I washed it up. I got rid of everything. I cleaned it up as best as possible, and it was quite easy. As me say, it is one of the cleanest one I've ever had to deal with. So it wasn't that dirty. So I'm gonna just pour some water on it and leave it to soak. Normally what I do is leave this for I leave it from anywhere to 2 hours, from 2 hours to 5 hours, and I'm good to go. But you can leave it 12 hours to a day. I ended up leaving this one. This is the first one I have left for 24 hours, so this well soaked, right? Right here, so it is 24 hours later. This is the next day. As I tell you, when you look at it, you see that it has become translucent. It looks a lot more than it did because it soaked up back all that water and went back to its original state. Now we're gonna blend this up. Yeah, we're gonna blend this up. Add it to your blender, and it's gonna take you about 15 minutes, right? It really is gonna take you about 15 minutes or more. Just be patient. Right here, I blended it for 5 minutes. Now, when you're blending things in your blender, it creates heat, and when heat gets with the sea moss, it tends to become gel-like. You know, it's a little bit sticky. So right here, you see that it's not where we want it yet. It's still having stuff that we need to get rid of. At this point, I had blended it another 3 minutes, and yeah, it definitely isn't there. Right here, so it's about 10 minutes, guys. You can leave it at this if you want, but I wanted it to be so smooth that I could just run it along my skin and not see anything. So I'm going to go for another 5 minutes. Now, after I have allowed it to go for another 5 minutes, this is what I have. This is pure sea moss gel. So pure, so awesome. Now guys, it smells like the sea. No, it not smell raw or nothing like that. And if you don't like that sea smell, you can add a little bit of lime to it, but it smells great to me. Pour this in your jar and your gel is ready to go. No, you don't have to boil it. No, you don't have to do all of that. You're just having it in its original natural state and everything good. Yeah. So that's it. Nothing hard. It's simple and easy like that. Thank you for sticking around. I know a couple of you wanted to stay alert to see this video, and I'm glad that you actually have watched my content, right? I'm glad that you wanted to see how I make seamoss gel, even though there are millions of people on YouTube making seamoss gel. Yeah, I know. But I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, and to subscribe. It is great having you. And if you haven't subscribed us yet, become a part of this family. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.